Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I'm working on my tarot deck. I'm doing the Arcana 0, the Fool. After drawing the character, I use my soldering iron to trace the lines. The Fool is someone who did not begin the inner path leading to enlightenment. He doesn't pay attention what's around him and doesn't even look where he set foot. You can see him about to fall into a precipice. A snake bites him, symbolizing an endless restart. The karmic wheel. To get out of it, you have to start the inner path. In his hand, he holds a cut and faded rose, representing his neglected soul. He carries a bag, a symbol of the possessions to which he is attached. Here I put a sealant before adding acrylic color. Behind him, we see the sun, symbol of divine light. He is not interested in it. Now, let's look at the symbolism of these colors. Yellow symbolizes gold, light, sun, royalty, spirituality, the divine principle in matter. Red symbolizes the fire element, life, energy, action, purification, baptism, and also hell. Blue symbolizes water, intuition, knowledge, patience, peace, wisdom, harmony, and the fulfillment of consciousness. Green, in between the top and bottom, in between the cold and hot, symbolize the human. Black symbolizes the absence of divine light. It's nothingness, silence, it's darkness, it's chaos. White symbolizes purity, chastity, maturity. The flesh color symbolizes the earthly plane. Here I put a gold leaf glue and let it dry before putting my gold. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel to not miss my next video.